This is Maslow 4.1, a large format, open source CNC router that lets you bring your big ideas into the world. 7 years ago, we introduced the first version of Maslow, an entirely new kind of CNC router. And last year, in a wildly successful Kickstarter campaign, we introduced Maslow 4, the fastest, most precise, and easiest to use machine of its type.
That campaign allowed us to push the technology further, design upgrades, and improve the user interface. Now we've incorporated everything we've learned through feedback and testing to bring you Maslow 4.1. We want to provide kits to anyone that missed our last Kickstarter campaign and also provide full upgrade packages to our existing Maslow 4 users.
If you're new here, welcome. Let's run through some of the reasons Maslow 4 might be a great machine for you. Maslow 4 is a large machine. Its 14.5-foot belts mean you can cut full sheets of plywood without having to break them down into smaller pieces. Maslow 4 is easy to connect to from any Windows, Linux, Mac, iOS, or Android device. You connect to Maslow 4's Wi-Fi enabled controller directly through your web browser. No internet connection, app download, or login required.
The Maslow is easy to run. Set up your anchor points on any flat, rigid surface, run calibration, and you're ready to cut with precision. You can cut on any horizontal or near vertical surface. The Maslow 4.1 is also easy to assemble. It requires no soldering, no programming, and no special tools.
We have an awesome online community. Our forums are filled with people sharing projects, helping each other solve problems, and suggesting ideas for how to make Maslow better. Many of the ideas for upgrades and improvements that we're making in Maslow 4.1 came directly from our community. There's no way we could build Maslow without your help.
Take a look at some projects from our users. Furniture,
Signs,
props,
home projects.
really anything you can imagine.
What do you want to build?
All of the designs and code for Maslow 4.1 are fully open source and available on our website, so our more ambitious users can hack their machines to their heart's content, or 3D print replacement parts from anywhere. It's just part of our philosophy.
The updates in Maslow 4.1 include new Torx Drive M3 screws, a redesigned cooling fan, precision cut linear rods, new belt guards, JSTXH encoder boards, and more. You can see a full list of all of the changes we've made in our Kickstarter project page. Our mission is to bring the magic of large format CNC routing to everyone, but to do that we need your help. To relaunch the production of Maslow 4 kits, we need to meet minimum order requirements for some of our parts, which are quite expensive. And to do the 4.1 updates, we need to remake some molds, which also is expensive. That's why we need to raise $16,000 so we can get it done.
This will be our team's 4th successful Kickstarter, and together with our manufacturing partners from the Maslow 4 campaign, we are confident that we can deliver. You can help us reach our goal by backing us here on Kickstarter to reserve your Maslow 4.1 kit or 4.1 upgrade, or by sharing the project with friends.
Thanks for watching. We can't wait to see you in the forums.